Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. Today our topic is partnership. So to understand this topic in a better way, we'll see few examples. In this first example, it is given as A and B started a business by investing rupees 12,000 and 18,000 respectively. Find share of each if the profit at the end of year is 7,000. So the ratio of the investments of A and B is ratio of investments means A is invested 12,000 rupees and B has invested 18,000. So you should also consider this one because here they given at the end of year the profit is 7,000 means per year there are 12 months. So into 12. 18,000 into 12. So these are the ratios of investments of both. 0 to 0 get cancelled, 6 2s and 6 3s. So the ratios of investments of A and B are 2:3. Here the profit is given as 7,000. 7,000 should be shared between A and B. So A share is 2 by 2 plus 3. A plus B share, total share into the profit they have get at the end of the year is 7,000. And also B share will be 3 by 5 into 7,000. 5, 14 times 1400 into 2, 2,800. And here 5, 14 times 1400 into 3, 4,200. So at the end of the year, the A will get 2,800 and B will get 4,200 rupees. So in the second example, they have given us Balaji started a business investing 11,000 rupees. After 4 months, Jashwant joined with a capital of 22,000. At the end of 2 years, the profit is 8,000. Find the share of Balaji and Jashwant. So first we have to find out the ratio of their investments. Balaji invested, Balaji is to Jashwant. Investments is equal to, so Balaji invested 11,000 and he invested here, they have given us 2 years means 24 months. Is to Jashwant invested 22,000. He joined after 4 months means he only worked 24 minus 4. He only worked for 20 months into 20. 3 zeros get cancelled. 11 2's 24 is to 2 into 20 40 4 6 4 6 and 4 tens 2 3's 2 5's. So the ratio of their investments are 3:5 and they got a profit of 8,000. So Balaji's profit is equal to 3 by total 3 plus 5 8 into the profit 8,000. So for Balaji 3,000 is the profit and for Jashwant the ratio of his investment is 5 by 8 into total profit 8,000. So the Jashwant profit is 5,000. In this third question, it is given as Ashok started a business investing rupees 45,000. After 3 months, Sharan joined him with capital rupees 60,000. After another 6 months, Pranit joined him with a capital of rupees 90,000. At the end of year, they made a profit of rupees 50,000. Find share of each. Means here they given as end of year. This point is very important. You should remember because whether they are asking for 1 year, 2 years or 3 years, you should proceed accordingly. So in this, they told us here, so 12 months. So Ashok is there for complete 12 months. So 45,000 into 12. After 3 months, Charan joined. Means 12 minus 3, 9 months. So for 9 months, Charan's amount is there. So his investment is 60,000 into 9. And after another 6 months, Praneeth joined. Means Praneeth joined after 6 months of Charan joined. So 6 plus 3, 9. So Praneeth's money is there for 3 months, only 3 months. His investment is, capital is 90,000 into 3. 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, cancel. 15 threes, 15 fours, and 15 six. These 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 ones. So 12 is to 4 threes, 12 is to 6. 6 table, 2 is to 6 twos, 6 twos, and 6 ones. So the ratio of their investments are 2 is to 2 is to 1. So the Ashok share is equal to 2 by total share, 2 plus 2 plus 1 into the total profit they have made is 50,000. That is equal to 2 by 5 into 50,000. So the profit Ashok will get is 20,000, and Charan's share is equal to 2 by total share 5 into 50,000. So the profit Charan will get is 20,000, and finally Praneeth's share is equal to 1 by total share into 50,000. 50,000. So he will get 10,000. So in this fourth question, it is given as Akash, Akhil, and Rohit started business, each investing rupees 2,000. After 5 months, Akash withdrew rupees 500, Akhil withdrew rupees 400, and Rohit invests 600 more. At the end of the year, the total profit is 6,990 was recorded. Find the share of each. So the ratio of their investments are. First of all, they have given it for year. So the profit should be considered for year. 1 year is for 12 months. So for 5 months, Akash is there. So 2,000 into 5. After 5 months, Akash has withdrew 500 rupees. So 2000 minus 500 is 1500. So remaining 7 months are there in a year. So for 7 months he only invested 1500 as he already withdrew rupees 500. These two. Here we are adding because for 5 months he invested 2000. For 7 months he is investing 1500. Similarly for Akhil, he invested 2000 for 5 months. But after 5 months, he withdrew 400. So 2000 minus 400 is 1600. 1600 into 7. For Akhil, he withdrew 400. So we keep 1600 into 7. And for Rohit, he invested 600 more after 5 months. Means for 5 months, he invested 2000. And for remaining 7 months, 12 minus 5, 7 months, he invested 2600 as he added some 600 after 5 months into 7. Okay. So you have to understand the question carefully so that your results will be accurate. 2000 into 5, 10,000 plus 15 sevens, 10,500 is to 10,000 plus 16 sevens, 112, 11,200 is to 10,000 plus 26 sevens is 182, 18,200. That is equal to 20,500 is to 22,200 is to 28,200. So 10 plus 21,200. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel. It cancels. 205 is to 212 is to 282. So Akash share is 205 by total share. 205 plus 212 plus 282 into the total profit obtained is 6990. That is equal to 205 by 699 into 6990. 10 times. So Akash profit is 2050 and Akhil profit is share is 212 by 690, total share 699 into 6990. That is equal to 10 times 2120. And finally Rohit share is 282 by 699 into 6990. 10 times, that is equal to 2820. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Aptitude Tricks channel. If you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.